Okay, hey folks, John with Baker Boy here. Got another really cool, unique product that Baker Boy makes, the brown and serve garlic toast. Very cool item. Most people, we will just go ahead and pan it up, pop it in the oven at 375 for 12 minutes or so and brown it off. Wanted to share, I got an idea from one of our other sales reps that we work with here at Baker Boy. We call this an Italian taco. And what we do here is we take the Baker Boy bread right here, go ahead and thaw it out. I take the knife, cut it down the center. You want to cut it like you, looks like a taco shell, okay? So we have it like this, cut it down. You've got a little bit of a hinge. We set the product here, grab 3 meatballs, stuff the meatballs into the bread. There you go like that, okay? Little marinara sauce, probably just an ounce or so. We're going to put on the top like that and dip it through. We will go ahead and take our 4 blend shredded cheese and we'll stick that on there like that and stuff it and get it ready to go. I will get these ready. We'll pop them in the oven, 375 for 12-14 minutes, and we'll show you how it goes. Okay, we have our Italian tacos all stuffed and ready to go into the oven, and I will go ahead and bake those off. Okay, just pulled out the Italian tacos made on the Baker Boy brown and serve garlic toast. Again, put it in at 375 for 12-14 minutes until you can see where the cheese has melted and the marinara is warmed up. They're ready, hot and ready to go. Any questions, please get a hold of us at bakerboy.com.